You got a tool that you think is beyond repair, a rusty mess, don't throw it away just yet. I got a fix for that, and it's so easy even a dummy could do it. I got a pair of pliers that I left on top of a deer feeder for an entire year, exposed to the elements. You take a cup, white vinegar, fill the cup up, drop the tool in, and 24 hours later, pull the tool out of the cup, wipe it off, and the rust is magically gone. Ready to work and rock and roll. What do you think about that? Tune into Okladoma for more how-to videos.